Let's now look at why integration is needed in the first place. What real problem does it solve? The short answer is disconnected systems. In every company, data is spread across multiple systems. One for customer information, one for sales, another for orders, invoicing, logistics, marketing, and so on. None of these systems were designed to talk to each other naturally. They work in isolation. And what happens when systems don't talk to each other? People have to fill the gaps. They copy and paste data between applications, export and import spreadsheets, send emails with attachments, and manually update different tools to keep everything in sync. This wastes time, creates frustration, and causes mistakes. As the number of systems grows, the pain grows too. Every new application means more manual work, more missed updates, and more delays. This is what integration solves. It builds automated connections between systems so that data flows where it's needed without human effort. For example, when a customer places an order, the CRM updates, the ERP creates a shipment, the warehouse prepares the delivery, and invoicing is triggered, all automatically. So, the key problem integration solves is fragmentation. Without it, digital processes are broken. With it, systems work together like one unified machine.